first light. Get some glass on it right away. That's when all the animals been moving. So we'll get some film when we get up there. Alright, well, we spotted a couple bucks this morning. They're way down here in the bottom. So we're going to make a plan. We're going to head down there and see if we can't get around them. I got a spot picked out that will put us within about 600 yards. So I think they just went down there and bedded. So anyways, we're going to make the trek. We got about probably a solid 2 miles to get around them. And then we're just going to hang up on the rock edge and hopefully we can spot them in there. I think they just bedded down on those mahoganies. So anyways, we'll see, but hopefully we can make it happen this time. One of them's a pretty nice buck, but it's a long ways away. We're just making our way down off that ridge. We're getting closer, but those bucks are over here. We're gonna go down and around on the other ridge, and hopefully we can see them. They went over that backside.
firing. I'm on him.
Okay. Got him.
Got him.
Hit him high, got him though. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
All right, well, we just re-looked at the film real quick, and I knew there was 2 bucks in there. And like I said, we were both shooting, we both had tags. And I dropped the first buck on film, hit him back, but he's down. We're gonna go get him. And then Kyle followed up with the other one that ran out.
Got the second one.
And he got him. So,
oh man.
2 bucks down. Wasn't ideal, but we got him. We're gonna go find them now. They're across
tags.
canyon, both about 480 yards, so we're both pretty excited. Good job, man.
Oh, relief. Alrighty, so this is where we shot from. We had both guns set up. Right here, we spotted them right on the top of that rim rock right there. Like we said, about 630 yards. Over here, a little bit of brass on the ground. Made it happen though. Thank goodness. Let's go find these bucks.
I think we found that buck again.
Oh man.
See? Yeah, that was that buck we were trying to shoot yesterday. Found him.
Ah.
5x5.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
He made us yesterday. Gave Kyle 2 chances at getting this buck. And, well, he missed, so I guess I got it. That's awesome. Right on. I think I said he might be 25 to 27. Yesterday when we first saw him, we were thinking 27, 28, and then we got another look at about 400 yards, and I knew he was a little narrower. Gave Kyle an opportunity on film, and he just couldn't get on him in his scope. So we stayed, spiked out, searched for this buck all day, and nothing. And then I spotted these from the same ridge that we lost them from, about 2.5 miles away.
2.5 miles.
Way down here in the bottom, and I was like, I think there's 1 buck worth going after, so I told Kyle let's go after him, and that's pretty cool. Ended up being the same buck. That's really cool. So anyways, when we shot the second shot, we both did, I dropped him, and then another buck jumped out, and Kyle got that one. It's another 4 points, probably a couple 100 yards away. So we'll go get that one, and oh, we got some work to do.
Yeah. Well, we just spotted my buck up here on the ridge. He's down, laying up on the rocks. Hard to tell, but I think I might have got him in the neck. I'm gonna walk up there and see what we got. Well, got him spotted right up here. Fur lake. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy.
Oh, nice. Just a big 3x4. Did he break off his tip a little bit on the other side?
A little bit. So I thought he ran farther from where we were. It looked like that to me, but turns out he ran closer. So I was aiming a little high to compensate, and well, we got him down, and I'm stoked. I thought he was a lot smaller and through my scope, and man, I'm just happy to have this thing down on the ground.
Great buck. Is that first
Wow.
Nevada mule deer?
First Nevada mule deer. Just awesome. First backcountry hunt, out of state. Out here spiked out for the past 3 days, 2 days. It's been a little bit.
Yeah, it might be 3 nights tonight with no food. Well, I guess we got some bucks.
Yeah, we got some bucks.
Have some backstrap tonight.
Got some backstrap tonight, and now we're just gonna. I need to find some water for us, and we'll be in good shape getting these guys out of here. Wow, I'm stoked.
Great job.
Everything. This is perfect.
Great job.
Well, we're almost all loaded up. Got Danny's buck over there in his pack. Got 2 shoulders hanging in the tree. Got my buck there, all in my pack. And then up here in the hill, we got the rest of my buck. So we're gonna just be packing out. both back straps, a shoulder each, and some flank meat in the heads and the cape. We're going...
Backing up the hams.
Or the hams. We're going a little light. We're running a little low on water, so when we get back to camp, we'll have to get some. Yeah. Hopefully we can make it back here tonight to pick up these, but if not, it'll be a morning trip.
Well, we made it back to camp about an hour ago. Dropped off all the weight. Going back for a second load, and we're trying to find water on this trip back. So we went a different way. We've been traveling about a mile and a half. Still haven't found any, but it's promising. We're hoping it's down here where all these aspens are. Shows it on my map, but on Onyx, but a lot of the water on Onyx is actually dry this year. So they say this is one of the biggest droughts they've had over here in like 50 years, or I think it's like 70 years according to the news. So it's really dry, and it's not a good time to run out of water. We've been last time we found water was 2 days ago, and luckily Kyle grabbed 6 liters for us, but we barely managed to make that last as long as we could today. And it's just, I don't know, it's tough now. It's hot all day, and we really didn't have anything to drink, but we were on those bucks, so made it happen. And I think we're gonna find some right down here. So oh, thank the Lord. Oh yeah, and there's some water. Oh, so thankful we found this. Need some more. Anyways, we got about another 3/4 of a mile, and we're hoping that we can, they'll be heavy packs, but we both got to take 2 shoulders and a ham each. And then there's some tenderloins that we left, and then there's some like neck meat and just some cut-offs that we cut and saved. But if we can get those back to camp, the camp's about 2 miles away from where the deer are. Slightly uphill. Yeah, up a mountain at the end, but if we can do that before midnight, we'll be doing good. Get some rest, and then we'll just take a load back to our main camp, which is like 5 miles from our spike camp. So we got our work cut out for us. So anyways, just enjoying this. Well, we're just packing up our second trip. We got 2 shoulders in each of the bags right now, and then I'm gonna put we're both gonna put a ham in the hauling part of the bags.
Absolutely.
So he's running with his Mystery Ranch Metcalf that he loves. I got the XO 4800, and it's freaking awesome. So anyways, we're about ready to do this.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Up the mountain.
We'll be back in a couple hours. And we got water.
Yes we do. One last good push before camp. Almost there, right uphill. Just gotta go up there. And then second load done. Tomorrow, just get it back to our main camp. Perfect.
We're frying up some tenderloin Kyle just cut up for us. So we put some fat in there and let it render down. Made a nice little oil. Now we're just frying up some tenderloin. Pretty amazing dinner. We ran out of the peak refuels yesterday. We were planning on being back at our main camp today, and well, we got a little sidetracked and chased these bucks down all day, and it worked out. So no complaints here. I think we're eating pretty good.
That is good. Really good.
Yeah. We're eating good tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Nice little trick. You have a jet boil, some fat, and cook some meat.
Thank goodness.
Me either. Well, I think that's about does it for day 3. That's a wrap.
It's a good ending.
Yeah. So we're gonna tomorrow. Like I said, we're gonna pack up, and then we got like, I don't know, 4 to 5 miles to get back to our main camp. So we'll at least get 1 load done. Maybe we can do 2, but we'll see. Get some rest now.